Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are fine and safe at your homes. So students, this is your maths period and today our topic is decimals. So today we are going to learn conversion of fractions into decimals. So students, how to convert fractions into decimals? Here we have some values like 9 by 10, 36 by 100 and etc etc. So how to convert it? It depends upon the number of zeros in the denominator. If it is 10, the number of 0 is 1. So in our answer there should be one digit after point. Like we have 9 by 10. So first we will mark a point here and the number of digit after point should be 1. So we will write 9 here. And here we will write 0 before point. So it is 0.9. Now we have 36 by 100. The number of zeros in 100 are 2. So there should be 2 digits after point in decimal number. Means you have to mark a point before 2 digits. So it will become 0.36. You can see here the number of digits after point are 2 because the number of zeros in the fraction in the denominator are 2. Clear? Now here we have the third fraction, which is 678 by 1000. So in writing decimal, first we have to see the number of zeros in the fraction in the denominator. So the number of zeros in the 1000 are 3. So in writing the decimal number, you have to consider 3 digits after point. So we will write 6, 7 and 8 after point, and before point we will write 0. So 0.678. You can see here the number of digits after point are 3 and the number of zeros in the fraction in the denominator are also 3. So it means our answer is correct. I have solved 3 questions for you and you have to solve the remaining questions by yourself, remaining parts by yourself. Now come to the second question, which is conversion of decimals into fractions. So students, how to convert decimals into fractions? Here we have some values given here, decimal numbers, and we are going to convert it into fractions. So as I already told you that after the number of digits after point tells us that the number of zeros we are going to put in the denominator, in the fraction. First we will write 4 in the numerator. Okay. Now we are going to write 10 in the denominator. Why 10? Because the number of digits after point is 1. So it means we are going to write 10 here. In second question, B part, 0.66. You can see there are 2 digits after point. So it is very clear that you are going to write 100 in the denominator. As I already told you that the number of digits after point will tell you that how many zeros you are going to put in the denominator in the fraction. So 66 by 100. It means our answer is correct. Now come to the C part, which is 0.998. Now students, you can see here the number of digits after point are 3. So I am writing 1000 in the denominator and 998 in the numerator. So our fraction is 998 by 1000. सो स्टूडेंट्स, आई होप आपको ये क्लियर हो गया है कि आपने किस तरह से डेसिमल को फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट करना है और फ्रैक्शंस को डेसिमल में कन्वर्ट करना है। जो पॉइंट के बाद हमारे नंबर ऑफ़ डिजिट्स होते हैं वो हमें बताते हैं कि हमने फ्रैक्शन में डिनोमिनेटर में 10 लिखना है, 100 लिखना है या 1000 लिखना है। द नंबर आफ्टर द डेसिमल पॉइंट विल टेल यू whether you are going to write 10, 100 or 1000 in the fraction in the denominator. So students, पार्ट डी, पार्ट ई और पार्ट एफ आप खुद से सॉल्व करेंगे। और ये आपका सी वर्क था, क्लास वर्क था। यू आर गोइंग टू राइट दिस वर्क इन योर क्लास वर्क कॉपी। And for today our homework is write as decimals 11 by 100, 83 by 10, 221 by 1000, and write as fractions 0.3, 4.33, 0.983. ये सारे क्वेश्चंस आपने होमवर्क कॉपी पे करने हैं एंड मेक श्योर दैट दिस वर्क विल नॉट मिक्स अप विद योर क्लास वर्क, विद योर स्कूल वर्क। ओके, आपको एक अलग से फ़ोल्डर बनाना है ऑनलाइन क्लास वर्क का और आपने उस फोल्डर के आगे अपना ये काम करना है। आपका ये काम और जो स्कूल का काम होगा वो मिक्सअप नहीं होना चाहिए। सी वर्क आप सी वर्क कॉपी पे करेंगे और होमवर्क आपने होमवर्क कॉपी पे करना है। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, आई होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड इट। सो स्टूडेंट्स, टेक केयर एंड अल्लाह हाफिज़।